At a steel coil facility, a worker approaches a large steel coil, inspecting it for control. At first glance, the coil appears stable, but that is only a brief illusion. Suddenly, without warning, the coil begins to move, losing balance and tipping sideways. Before the worker can react, the coil rolls onto his legs and traps him. The situation escalates instantly. Fortunately, nearby workers intervene quickly and prevent the situation from getting worse. Heavy cylindrical loads may appear stable from the outside, but they can move at any moment. That is why such coils must always be secured with chocks and confirmed to be fully stable before approaching. This footage captures a critical safety breach where a forklift, transporting unsecured metal frames and pallets, experienced a sudden load collapse. Because the cargo was stacked above the line of sight and not properly fastened, the frames tumbled forward as the vehicle approached a work zone. Fortunately, split-second reflexes allowed nearby workers to narrowly avoid injury. This incident highlights several technical failures. The operator moved forward despite an obstructed view, violating the protocol to drive in reverse, and the load lacks stabilization straps, causing a dangerous shift in the center of gravity. To prevent such risks, operators must use spotters for high loads. Logistics teams must ensure cargo is centered and secured, and pedestrians must maintain a strict buffer zone. Safety is a shared responsibility. A single moment of negligence is never worth the risk. This video shows why you must always check your clearance before moving through tight spaces. Two workers moving a TV on a pallet jack failed to watch their sides, and they crashed the box hard into the concrete doorway. A truck driver approaches the side of his vehicle to check the load. Everything seems normal. Inside the truck bed is a massive steel coil. While inspecting the tires, the driver unknowingly stands in a dangerous position, and at that moment, the coil begins to move. The massive cylinder starts rolling and quickly gains momentum, heading directly toward where the driver is standing. There is almost no time to escape. The situation becomes critical in an instant. Cylindrical loads may appear stable from the outside, but even a slight imbalance can cause them to move on their own. That is why standing in line with such loads is one of the greatest risks. A massive 366-meter-long container ship begins its berthing maneuver. Everything appears normal at first. However, the vessel approaches the dock at a higher speed than it should. At this scale, speed also means inertia that is difficult to control. Within moments, the situation starts to slip out of control. The ship cannot slow down and crashes directly into the port cranes. Upon impact, some of the cranes collapse while others are severely damaged. The ship then makes contact with another vessel at the dock. The entire incident turns into chaos within seconds. Fortunately, there are no serious injuries, though one operator is slightly affected and equipment is damaged. This incident clearly shows how critical speed and distance control are in large-scale operations, because in systems of this size, even a small miscalculation can quickly become irreversible. A forklift operator is maneuvering a heavy load in a confined area with a high curb and a loading ramp nearby. At first, everything seems under control, but the forklift gets too close to the edge. The weight and position of the load disrupt the balance, and control is suddenly lost. The forklift tips over the curb as it falls. It crashes directly onto the cab of a parked tractor unit. At the last moment, the operator manages to jump clear, but the equipment is severely damaged. In such situations, the greatest risk is misjudging the distance to the edge. Every maneuver with a heavy load can lead to complete loss of control with even a small mistake. On August 17, 2021, inside a confined oil room, two maintenance workers were preparing to drain a tank. Everything seemed routine. Buckets were in place, hoses were ready. One of the workers, confident in his knowledge of the system, moved to operate a valve. But in this system, a small detail made all the difference. The wrong valve was opened. Suddenly, pressure was released. Oil rapidly spread into the environment, and the room became uncontrollable within seconds. Everything happened so fast that intervention became nearly impossible. In pressurized systems, differences are often not visible, but their effects appear instantly. That is why valve positions and flow direction must always be verified when working with such systems. A mechanic loosens the final mounting bolts to remove a vehicle engine. Everything seems under control, but the engine is now completely free, and in an instant, it drops with its full weight. The engine falls directly into the service pit. Significant damage occurs. In such operations, the engine must always be secured with lifting equipment before the final bolts are removed. Otherwise, the entire load is released uncontrollably, and the outcome unfolds within seconds. At a cement plant, a worker approaches a furnace to ignite it. Everything appears routine, but this time he uses a different material instead of the correct one. At a location with an open flame, this kind of choice immediately increases the risk, and at that exact moment, the reaction begins. Flames suddenly burst outward, filling the furnace opening with intense heat. The worker instinctively jumps back and narrowly avoids serious injury. Every material used in furnace systems is selected for a specific purpose. A wrong choice can completely change the situation within seconds. At a construction site, a large vehicle is being lifted into the air by a crane. Everything seems under control. The truck is balanced with slings, and the operation proceeds normally. But suddenly, one of the connections fails. As soon as the support is lost, the load's balance is completely disrupted. The truck begins to swing uncontrollably in the air. This sudden movement causes severe damage to the vehicle and eliminates control over the lowering process. Everything changes within seconds. A worker notices that a truck loaded with timber is moving and tries to stop it. Even though the vehicle does not seem fast, its weight keeps it moving forward. The worker steps in front of the truck, moving backward, thinking he can stop it, but the distance closes rapidly. As the truck continues forward, the worker is pushed back against a wall and becomes trapped between two solid surfaces. The situation escalates out of control within seconds. With such vehicles, the greatest risk is not speed, but weight. Trying to stop a heavy vehicle by hand can quickly lead to loss of control. This video highlights the extreme dangers of improper tree trimming near a residence. Instead of using professional safety gear, an individual is seen on a flimsy ladder propped directly against the limb being cut. The primary failure was neglecting to calculate the fall path and kickback force. As the branch detached, it created a leverage effect that kicked the ladder away, causing a complete loss of balance. This incident serves as a vital reminder to always hire professionals for complex tasks near structures. Never lean a ladder against unstable objects or parts being removed. Proper safety equipment like hard hats and harnesses is essential to prevent severe injury.